On today's episode, we're going to talk to you about elongation and elasticity.
And recovery.
So when you're looking at choosing different types of technologies for your building enclosure, you're going to want to understand performance characteristics. So if you need something that has a certain amount of movement, you're going to want to choose something that actually can move. So something like this, a self-adhered membrane, it's great. It is a flashing material that can be used through wall flashing, on brick ledges, it can be used around windows and door openings, and all over your structure as an air-bearing membrane. It works great for that. It has a facer, it has an adhesive on the back side. Putting it in an Instron, it does have a certain level of elongation, but it doesn't have any recovery at all. We're gonna take that self-adhered membrane and we're gonna do a bit of a tug-of-war here to demonstrate what kind of elasticity or elongation this one has.
Here you can see we're moving a little bit, but not very dynamically.
But he's definitely moving me. So it does not have the elongation you'd want in a movement joint.
Here we have an extruded silicone sheet. You can see it's this one-piece construction of purely just silicone, and you can see how the material can handle all of this elongation, elasticity, and
it has recovery. And then I'll come back and show that it has that recovery. Time and time again on your building, it's going to be able to move and expand and contract to building movement.
This is a great material that you're going to want to use around your window openings, your dynamically moving joints, where you have thermal expansion and contraction of two different types of materials to accommodate that. It's the great application for an extruded silicone sheet.
So anytime you need to make any type of a connection on that building enclosure, you're going to want to choose something like that silicone extruded sheet. Thank you so much for joining us today. Let us know what you thought of this episode.
And tell us your building enclosure challenges.
And we'll see you next time on the Building Science Breakdown.